Welcome to Empowered Gardening. Today we're going to show you how to get a head start on growing your indoor garden. This is really wonderful because underneath we can actually have the water flow from the seeds, and it keeps humidity in because we have a ready-made top that goes over. This has vents that you can vent the humidity that builds up.
We have ready-made potting soil that I've taken from our ready-made potting soil bag into a small Tupperware to make it easy to fill. So I'm going to fill these 2 cells here, and Cindy's going to give me 2 cilantro seeds so that I can plant them right here.
Okay.
Thank you.
And it's a very good idea to plant the same kind of seeds in the rows so that you know what the actual plant is when it comes up, because a lot of seeds when they're very young look similar.
Additionally, you want to write down what you're planting and the date so you have an idea of what is in here, not just for yourself, but for others who may come along and say, what's in here? And when did you plant those?
You can use any kind of stick. You can use a pencil. You can use anything, or even your fingers. So planting is fun when you do it together and you have a system that makes it easy for you to know what you've planted, when you planted it, and that it's very easy to keep moist so that the seeds will germinate quickly. So this is great. We're back together to look at how the seeds have come up. Now the cilantro that we planted takes a little bit longer, but lettuce immediately gives you feedback.
Isn't that great? I love it how it is just so immediate, and we can really see it growing literally before our eyes. And this is a really easy way to do it. Keeps it very clean, it collects the water, and if you forget a day or two, it'll still absorb the water. But don't forget to water.
Leaf lettuce is really easy to grow.
Please subscribe to the channel, Eco Cindy. Like, share, give it a thumbs up. Come visit us again. Bye.